Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you where we'll be comparing two popular products. Before we dive into the comparison, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Alright, let's get started. When it comes to achieving that perfect crispness without all the added calories, both products deliver outstanding results. The Air Fryer Basket by Gotham Steel uses a raised basket design, allowing convection heat to reach every angle of the food. On the other hand, the Dash TastaCrisp Air Fryer features AirCrisp technology that reduces added fat without compromising the flavor. So whether you're frying French fries or mozzarella sticks, both options will leave you with crispy and delicious results. When it comes to non-stick coating, both products excel. The Gotham Steel Air Fryer Basket boasts their revolutionary ceramic copper non-stick coating, which is not only durable but also scratch-resistant. Additionally, it requires no oil or butter, making it a healthier choice. Similarly, the Dash TastaCrisp Air Fryer features a non-stick surface that ensures easy food release and hassle-free cleaning. With both options, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without worrying about sticking or messy cleanup. Both products prioritize safety and convenience. The Air Fryer Basket by Gotham Steel is oven-safe, allowing you to easily cook and crisp your dishes. Additionally, its aluminum construction and mesh basket ensure even heat distribution for great results. On the other hand, the Dash TastaCrisp Air Fryer comes with an auto shut-off function, which prevents overcooking. It also features a cool touch handle for easy and safe handling. So whether you prefer using the oven or a standalone appliance, both options provide safety and convenience. When it comes to the price, both the Air Fryer Basket and the Dash TastaCrisp Air Fryer are priced competitively at $59. However, it's worth noting that the Air Fryer Basket also includes Gotham Steel's renowned cookware, known for its non-stick ceramic copper coating and durability, making it a great value for your money. Meanwhile, the Dash TastaCrisp Air Fryer offers a compact and lightweight design, perfect for smaller kitchens or those on the go. Ultimately, the choice between these products depends on your specific needs and preferences. And that concludes our comparison of these two fantastic air fryer options. Whether you choose the Air Fryer Basket with its innovative design and versatile cooking capabilities, or the Dash TastaCrisp Air Fryer with its efficient performance and compact size, you can't go wrong. Which one caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.